Hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Facundo Carballo, and today, I will explain you how to fix a very common problem with NextJS and Firebase hosting. But before to go into the video, uh, I like to tell you that if you want to see the fix of the problem quickly, I invite you to see the timestamps of the video on the description or in the video, in the YouTube video, you will find the section that you want to resolve your problem. But if you want to see the entire problem and what happens on Next.js, I invite you to see the entire video. But if you are in a hurry and if you want to solve your problem quickly, you will find the section that will resolve your problem. Yes? Well, now I will let you with the video. And today I will show you how to fix a very common problem when we work with Next.js and Firebase, especially Firebase hosting. Well, when we try to deploy a Next.js app to Firebase hosting, it's very common that we need to use dynamic routes. For example, in this case, to show that problem, I developed this app with a homepage and a search bar where we can search for a user using the user ID. For example, I can search by 23 for the user 23, and this will show me the page of the user 23. I can go back to the home page and search for another user, like the 45. Well, I also can search directly for using the URL. I can search for the user 63 and it will display me the page of the user 63. I also can reload the page, and on the local host it's working perfectly. But when I deploy the app to Firebase hosting using an URL, a domain, and wherever, I can search for an user too, and it seems to be working fine. I can search for another user and all is working fine. But I can't search directly from the URL. For example, if I want to search directly from the URL, the user 10, it's show me that error. And I am sure that this error it's very common when we work with Next.js and Firebase hosting. So in this video, I will explain you how to fix that. Well, first you have to go to your folder when you store your next project and find these two files, firebase.json and also next.config.js. We need to modify these two files to make this work. So first, here on the hosting object, we have to add a new attribute. This attribute we'll call rewrite, and it will be an array of objects. Each object of this array will have the same structure: source, and an attribute and destination. So the source will be the URL that we want to redirect. So in this case will be user and any that the user put there. So in destination we have to use /user/ID because I use this ID, and here index.html. Fine. And here we have to add this line of code, trailing slash to true. This will make able the app to reload. If we don't have this, the reloading of the page will not work. So we need these two things to make this work. So once we get that, we have to build your NextJS app again and also export them, and then we have to deploy to Firebase hosting. So I will do that, and then I will show you that with these changes the application will work fine. Now I can reload this. Hopefully will work. Yes. So now I can go to any page of the user and it will read perfectly. Now it's work of the developer to allow this kind of user ID or wherever, but it will display something when I put anything there. So problem fix for us. I hope that I could help you with this. And if you like this kind of videos, you can hit the like button. And of course, I invite you to subscribe to my channel too. See you on the next video.